In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now navigate to the options system. Under that, you're going to find the option of sound. Click on that. Now scroll down and head over to the section input. Select the correct microphone and make sure apps are allowed to use it. Now go back and ensure your microphone is not muted. Then raise the input volume slider. Next, head over to privacy and security. Now scroll down to microphone and make sure microphone access is turned on, along with permission for apps you want to use. After that, click search again, type device manager and open it. Expand audio input and output. Find your microphone, right click it and select update driver to ensure you have the best driver installed. If the microphone is only failing inside a particular app, navigate to sound or voice settings inside the app, select the correct microphone and check whether push to talk is enabled and adjust the sensitivity if needed. And that's it. These are some fixes for microphone issues on Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.